Hello everyone, this is Jerry from Geosun. Today I'm going to show you how to use Geosun LiDAR system.
Let's check the equipments.
This is our LiDAR system, and this is a DJI M300, and this is a base station. Let's go.
First step, set up base station.
The first thing we need to do is set up the base station. We need to set the base station in an open sky to get a better GNSS signal. We need to get the coordinates of this point, the longitude, latitude, and the altitude. We also need to do some settings in the handbook. First, we need to set the work mode to static mode, and then set the sample frequency to 1 Hz, mask angle to 10 degrees. Remember, we need to power on the base station 3 minutes before we use the LiDAR system. Now let's go and get the LiDAR system started.
Second step, LiDAR system installation.
This is an X-shaped mounting kit. We use these 4 screws to install this on the M300. Be aware of its orientation. We need to face this side to the tail of the drone. Now we're gonna install the antenna. Here's the antenna. We put the antenna in this place until you hear a click, and then fasten this screw. Let's install the mounting kit into the LiDAR. Push the LiDAR forward until you hear a click, and then these two trigger. Now put on the GNSS cable. Check if the SD card is in place. Here is the power cable. We put the power cable in this place. Now let's put the LiDAR system on the drone. Be careful, the antenna of the LiDAR system should go through the upper left wing of the drone. And looking for the slot. Push the LiDAR system until you hear a click. The last step is the power cable. Here is a red dot, and here's also a red dot. You need to match these 2 red dots. Now we are ready to take off.
Third step, get ready for takeoff.
Power on the drone. Then power on the LiDAR. Once the LiDAR system and the drone are powered on, we'd better leave it alone for about 3 minutes. The LiDAR system needs some time to warm up, and the IMU also need to get initialized. When the T light starts to blink, we are ready to take off. The T light is blinking. Now let's take off.
The drone land. Let's go back and calculate the data.
Ether.com make global trade easier.